'cause your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only 'cause I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, 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 say what you're dying to say. No, 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 no. Oh, oh, tonight we're stars, but we'll fade away. Go on and light me up.
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time of coming to this channel, do well to subscribe to be part of this family. Okay, now in this video what I'm going to show you how to install this wig. I will be installing the wig rather. It has not been installed. And the waist length is how it looks like. So I'm going to be installing this in this video.
The memories flood in my head, just like the waves, babe, we were endless. Drowning in your eyes, pull me in your tide. You still remember all the shit we used to do? The drunken walks at 2 a.m. in high school. Slipping away before your eyes are into the night. It feels better when you're frozen inside.
Okay, what I'm doing is that I'm prepping the wig before installing it, making sure that the root of the hair is tight and shiny, and I'm using a bob gel. You can find any gel that is suitable for you or anyone that you want. I'm just making sure that the braid, that everything is looking shiny. Now that the boss braid is ready, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get my skull cap ready. I'm going to use got to be spray to spray the front of the skull cap. So after I've sprayed the front, I'm going to be spraying the back because I want it to be, the boss braid wig to be packing up. So I will be making use of the front and the back of the skull cap. Now I'm going to tint the skull cap. I'm not particularly tinting it, so I'm going to use my foundation to go through the skull cap from the front or the back. I'm going to just do the front particularly because I'm concerned about the front. So you can make use of foundation that is your color or that is a little bit darker than your color. Okay, now the bond that I'm using is goose bond. I'm going to apply the goose bond directly to the skull cap, the front skull cap, and my front hairline. Also at the back, I'm going to be applying the bond at the back of the skull cap because I want it to back up. For the ear side of the wig, I didn't really find it difficult putting it on because I make sure that whenever I'm ventilating, I prep the wig cap, I prep the net before ventilating. So it's now very easy for me to know my exact front score, So now what I'm going to do is just to place the part that I've cut out directly on the ear, then use my got-to-be spray and hold the wig to my skull. I'm also going to do it at the back. Use the got-to-be spray and hold the back of the wig. So I'm going to use my hairband to wrap through my front head. I'm going to use it to wrap through the places that I've sprayed the gel, including the front and the back. I'll allow it to stay for some time, dry up before I'll loosen it up. So this is the back, this is how everything looks. After some minutes, I'm back to unravel the hairband, so we'll see how it looks like. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. I think it looks natural, but I've not laid my edges, and this is how it looks like. And from the back, this is how it looks like. So you can actually style this whichever style that you want to style it. So I'm going to lay my edges.
I'm here only because your stare won't ever let me go. I'm here only because I'm aware with you is better than all alone. Oh, oh, say what you're dying to say. No, tonight we're stars, but we'll fade away. Go on, light me up.
I'm going to tie down the edges to make it lay down flat while I pack it. Now this is how it looks like. I think it looks natural a bit. So with this, you can pack it whichever style. You can pack it up, or you can pack it whichever style you want it. So give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and leave a comment on what you think about the installation or even the ventilation. And if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, do well to subscribe to be part of this family. So this is how it looks like without a light. Yeah, this is how it looks like. So see you guys later. Bye.